In this video, we're diving into the Woodpecker app and walking through 6 main tabs: Campaigns, Lead Finder, Prospects, Deliverability, Inbox, Templates, and finishing with a quick look at your subscription. Whether you're just starting with cold outreach or you're already sending dozens of emails daily, there's a feature here that could seriously change how you work. Stick around, because I'll show you a little-known detail in the Deliverability tab that can save your domain reputation. Let's start with the Campaigns tab. First, you need to connect an email account. Once that's done, you'll be able to create campaigns. Now here's something many users miss at first. Inside Campaigns, you'll see folder organization and sample campaigns. For example, Woodpecker shows a sample campaign, and sometimes it might say, "No email chosen," if you haven't yet linked an email account. Ever wondered what that means? I'll explain how to fix that in just a second. To begin, click or tap the Add a Campaign button. Here's where the magic starts. This is where you can set up your campaign, choose the email account you want to send from, write your message sequences, add follow-ups, schedule when emails go out, and even include LinkedIn tasks, if you've got that upgrade. And here's a question for you. Have you ever sent a cold email and wondered why no one replied? Stick around, because we're about to explore a tool that helps you find the right people to contact. Next up is the Lead Finder tab. This feature lets you search a database of over 1 billion B2B email addresses directly inside Woodpecker. That's right. You don't need to bounce between different tools anymore. Tap on Add Filters, and this is where things get powerful. You can filter by first name, last name, current job title, and tons of other details like country, industry, seniority, and more. Why does this matter? Because the right filter can be the difference between a lead who responds and one who ignores you completely. Now let's move into the Prospects tab. This is where your real outreach starts. Think of this tab as your contact list command center. Tap Add Prospects, and you'll see a few options. Import from a spreadsheet, add contacts manually, bring in data from integrations, or even use the leads you just found in Lead Finder. Here's a quick tip. Using the From Lead Finder option creates a seamless workflow that saves you time and keeps your targeting sharp. Now here's where a lot of people hit a wall. Deliverability. If your emails aren't getting delivered, it doesn't matter how good your copy is. So don't skip this. The Deliverability tab is where you monitor your sending health. You've got 2 important sections here: Monitor and Reports. Keep an eye on bounce rates, spam warnings, domain reputation, and warming status. Coming up, I'll share how this tab once saved me from unknowingly landing every email in spam. Let's switch over to the Inbox tab. Again, you'll need to connect your email account if you haven't already. Once you do, this inbox becomes your central hub. You'll see replies from campaigns, follow-ups, bounces, unsubscribes, all in one place. No more digging through your Gmail folders. Oh, and yes, there's a LinkedIn tab here too, but you'll need to upgrade to access that feature. I'll tell you later if it's worth it. Almost there. The Templates tab is next. This is your content toolbox. Tap Create Email Template, and you can design reusable email formats that save time and keep your messaging consistent. You can even use personalization tags to make each email feel tailor-made. Ever wondered what to say in your first cold email? This is where you'll store that winning version once you've got it. And lastly, a quick note on your subscription. Woodpecker offers a few different plans: cold email, sales assistant, and agency. Pricing depends on how many prospects you contact, how many email accounts you use, and what extras you need like LinkedIn or deliverability tools. If you're hitting limits or need more credits, you can upgrade right in the app. And that's it for today's walkthrough of Woodpecker. We've explored everything, from creating campaigns and finding leads, to managing prospects, monitoring deliverability, replying in your inbox, building email templates, and even checking your subscription. If you're just starting out with cold email outreach, Woodpecker is a great tool to keep everything organized and automated in one place. Just remember to connect your email account first so all the features work properly. If this video helped you out, feel free to give it a like, leave a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe for more simple and useful tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.